This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you can legally buy direct. Check prescription rules, import permits, and whether you need a business account. Once done, assemble required documents, business license, tax ID, NPI or importer ID, and download product codes and technical specs. Make sure to contact at least one verified manufacturer representative immediately and request their vendor onboarding packet. This speeds approvals. You do this because manufacturers require proof of legitimacy and product specifications before quoting prices or accepting orders. So get documents right now. You now negotiate details. Ask for MOQ, FOB price, lead time, and sample policy, and push for written terms. Because quality matters, insist on GMP, ISO, and COA documentation, plus batch traceability and stability data. Suppliers won't ship without this. Once agreed, outline packaging, cold chain requirements, and labeling to match customs and pharmacy needs. Make sure to clarify third-party testing and acceptance criteria. This prevents disputes later. When you sign the proforma, double-check every spec to avoid costly rejection. You complete payment and confirm the proforma invoice using agreed payment methods, letter of credit or escrow if higher risk. Then book transport. Hire an experienced import broker, insist on temperature monitoring for sensitive products, and buy insurance. Once goods ship, track the airway bill and prepare customs paperwork. Make sure someone is ready to receive and inspect immediately on arrival. If something is wrong, document photos and measurements, keep original packaging, and file a claim within the stated window. This is the key troubleshooting action if issues arise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.